Good day, guys. Being here. So we last time we did this one, right? So we did this amassing. So using modeling, modeling place mass, and then let me just go check HH this one. So yeah, it's a modeling place mass. So actually now it's a conceptual mass, but we just load this one into a project, so and then we can apply roof onto it. So we did this one last time, but we have some issue with the vertical. So you can see all these vertical supposed to be vertical, but we can't really make them vertical because for some reason. So when we try to, when we here when we try to create divided surface, like increase the number, so we can't really achieve vertical. So we can somehow adjust, rotate, but still, so you can see still not really. So maybe like let's try -20. Yeah, I think this is the best we can do, but still, so you can see here it's not perfect, right? So today we'll try to see if we can fix this one. Okay, so first the option is, so when we use a divided surface, right, we can somehow try to adjust. So let me change this one again, so you can see all these some. So it looks like, yeah, so the middle one's quite vertical, but when it goes to this to the side, it starts to have some angle, right? So okay, so yeah, still, so we can adjust that, but I don't think it can be achievable. Okay, so this is one option, but I don't think it will work perfectly. So I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you two methods, so we can create some panels. Okay, so first one is we're going to create a adaptive family. Okay, so the idea is, so we can create like a panel, like a window with 4 adaptive points, and then we place onto these grids, right? So if I go here, we can turn on the nodes and then place that. There will be 4 adaptive points, so 1, 2, and then we need to pick this one and this one, right? And then so we will make that family always vertical, so it doesn't matter where these 2 points are. We just need to place the 2 points at the floor level, and then use the other 2 to decide the height of this window, but not to the location. Okay, so only the height. Okay, so let's do it. So it will be a adaptive family, right? Okay, so we're going to place 2 points and make adaptive point. Then we're going to copy them up. Okay, so roughly, it doesn't need to be exactly above those points, but just need to make them higher than the first 2. Okay, so I'll just intentionally like move these points so they are not right above the first 2 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe make this one 3. So when we place, we just do 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4 if you want to, so it doesn't really matter too much. Okay, so now we have 1, 2. So we're going to create a reporting parameter to get the height difference between 1 and 4, and also between 2 and 3. So to create this reporting parameter, it's a little bit tricky. So I'll show you how I do it. Okay, how I do it. So okay, so first pick this vertical work plan. So this one is a default one. It's already here, right? So pick this one means a set work plan. So or you can just go here to create and set work plan on, and then pick this one. Okay, so now the current work plans on this vertical reference plan, and then we can just do a dimension di, okay, and then pick 0.4, okay, 0.4. So you can see it highlight the dot, right? So click on this, and then we are not going to directly, oh hell, what's going on? Let me try again, sorry. Di, pick this point. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's correct. So pick the 0.4, and then do not pick 0.1 directly. Okay, do not pick point directly. Pick the level instead. Okay, pick the level. So this will give us a dimension between the 0.4 and the level, and this dimension will be placed on this vertical reference plane. So you can see, right? So this dimension is being placed onto this reference plane between 0.4 and the level. Now, because we need to get the height difference between 0.4 and 0.1, so we're going to select this dimension. See here, drag this out. Okay, and then drag this point onto the 0.1. So now this dimension will always give the vertical, the height difference between 0.1 and 4. So let me show you. So if I drag it horizontally, it won't change, only when I drag it vertically, right? So, and also 0.1, if I move it up, yeah, all good. See, it won't change this one. Okay, so now let me show you what if we directly dimension point, maybe let's use 0.3 and 0.2. Okay, so di. Before that, let's also pick this reference plane first. So we're going to place that dimension onto this reference plane. So di. Okay, pick this 0.3 and pick 0.2. So you will see this dimension will be what do we call this? So there's a line there. Yeah, I think there's option. Yeah, doesn't matter. So which means, so you can see depending on where this point is, it always dimension the the distance between them in this still the dimensions are on this reference plane, but so you can see it's the direction between them on this reference plane, right? So it will change if we move this point horizontally. So this is not right. So let's do it again. Pick this reference plane first, and the di dimension, pick this point and pick the level. Oops, sorry, I didn't click. Let's do it again. So pick the point, pick the level. Okay, and then select this level, drag this out, and pick this one. So this is what's this one? Move. Is that move? Yeah, move witness line onto 0.2. Okay, so now we have the height difference between these 2 points. So let me change the scale so we can see those dimensions. Okay, so now this one will be a reporting. Let's call it reporting 1. Okay, so RP1 instance report. Okay, this one will be RP2 instance and report. Okay, so now we just need another point, you draw world plan, set world plan, pick the horizontal world plan, place a point, select it, let's drag it up a little bit, and then link that to RP1. So now if I connect these two, this will give us the a reference line, right? So we can do the same point, draw world plan, pick the world plan, place a point, select it, drag it up, and then link it to RP2. So now we select these 2 points, spline through points, create make reference line, spline through points, reference line, spline through points, reference line. Okay, so now we have this one, and then so this will be the path, and we're going to create a frame. So I'll just create a very simple. Oh, hang on, sorry. We just need to place a point first. Sorry. Use draw on face, and then just place it anywhere on these, on any of these reference lines. Let's just place it here, and then a profile for this frame. So I'm going to just draw a rectangular shape. You draw on world plan and pick this point. Okay, I'm just going to draw something. Not really sure the size. Hang on. How about 200, right? And then by 100. Okay, so 100, and then I'll just move this one so it's centered, and select this profile and also select path. So this will create a frame, and then I want to also create a glazing. So for the glazing, you can just directly use this one. So if you don't mind overlapping with the frame, or you can try something different. So I'm going to do this. So I'll also do another sweep. So I'll use a rectangle, draw world plan, set world plan, still pick the world plan on this point. I'm going to just draw another one, so maybe something like this, and then I'm not sure the thickness, 24 maybe, and then I'll just move this to the center. I'll use SM to make sure snap the midpoint, and select this profile, select this path, so four reference line. Okay, so we have another one here. So for this one, I'm going to give it a glass material. So I'll type HR to bring back the frame. So now we have this, we have glass, and of course we want to fill the middle one, right? So we can just tab select this face and just rotate up. Oops. Tab control select, create a form. So we have another form. So this will be the also glass, and then we can just use join geometry, click, and that's all. So we have some a glass panel. Okay, so yep, I think so. This is it. So now you can see it's a 4 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so let's say if we try to move these points, so it won't change when we move them horizontally, but it will follow the height, right? So okay, so this is it. So now I think let me load this one. Okay, so I think we need to rename this one, because previously we create this one using the family one. Maybe I'll change the family name. Oh, I can't, because this is a family. We're going to load into this one. That's fine. I'll just save as a different name. Okay, so save as. Okay, I'll call it. Okay, so that's it. And load this one into the family one, so we can place. Okay, so now let's place 1, 2. Just be careful, so you can see. You need to be very careful. So you need to make sure you see this the purple circle thing. So it means that's a node. But yeah, if you do not pick the node, it won't work, I believe. Okay, so this is not right. I think we need to check the always vertical, I believe. Load it back, override. Yep, that's it. So now you can see this one is vertical. Okay, so only the height. So this point and this point is decided by the height of this point and this point. So it's not perfect, but yeah, I think it's close enough. So yeah, let's just use repeat. This will place all yeah, see here. So this is because when we place this family, so you can see 1 2 3 4, so we're using the height of this. So if I draw a line horizontally, so this will match this will match this. So yeah, don't really know how to fix this, because yeah, I think this is a limitation of this method. So if you move the node is offset for a big distance, yeah, I don't think it will be perfect. So that's, yeah, also this gap. Let's try this one too. Okay, I'll select this one. So you need to turn on the nodes first, okay, and then create component 1 2 3 and 4, and select it and repeat. Yep. Okay, so yeah, so you can see the same. Here's yeah, it's not, yeah, so see that's a big gap there. So okay, so I think if you don't yeah, it's up to you. Yeah, if you don't mind like having some gaps, if it's more like a concept, I think it should be fine. But yeah, the good thing about this method is if you change the number, like you need to increase the number, so it's very easy. Oh, looks like it broke a little bit. Right, so increase the number, and yeah. Okay, so now of course there's another method, right? So we always, and we use that method quite often actually. That's we can use which one? Divided surface, right? And then also let me just turn off the U grid, but actually yeah, we don't need V grid as well, but we're going to use intersects. Okay, so we need to, for intersects, we need some reference plan. So we can't draw reference plan in 3D view, so we need to go to a floor plan instead. Okay, so we're going to do it here, right? So reference plan, so RP, or you can go to create. Where's reference plan? Okay, where's reference plan? Oh, here. Oh no, here. Oh yeah, reference plan. Yeah, usually I just do RP, so I don't really know where so it's here. So reference plan, right? So for this one, you just need to draw this reference plan, and then where you want those grids. I'll just place maybe here, so roughly, so 1.5, and you can rotate, or you can do array. I'm not sure array. Let me try array. Nah, it doesn't work. We can't do array, so have to copy or rotate. Maybe just for this one, let's just copy. Okay, so copy, so 1.5, or you can just offset, I believe. can we, yeah, offset, so 1500, and then we can just, you know, do this, right? Or if you think this is too slow, wireframe, you can always, I don't want to select, be careful, don't select that one. You can always copy multiple of them. Okay, so yeah, I'm not really sure, maybe need to intersect. That's fine, maybe just we don't need that one. So hang on, so this one here, this one, maybe we need another one here, so maybe I'll just move it, just cut it here. Okay, hang on, I forgot to name them. Okay, which means if you do not name, let me just try to select this one, you won't be able to, you won't be able to, you know, select them here. So you can still, you know, try to select them. So when you do this one, intersect, and then select all this, so it will be let me think, how do I select all of them without select anything else? Select this, not this one. And do I have filter? I don't have, no filter here. Yeah, nah, maybe it's not a good idea, sorry. So let's just Control Z, and all the way back to the first one, and then just give it a name. Maybe just call it 1. Then we can just, you know, CS, create a similar, doesn't work here. Pick 1500. Now let's, so it was, hang on, doesn't work. Okay. Offset, when we offset, it won't rename, but I'm pretty sure if we copy, so Revit will rename this one, so we can say become 2. So copy is fine, but not offset, not create and with offset. How about mirror? Let's try. I'll select these two, Okay, the same, so it will also create number, but yeah, don't worry too much about the numbers. So let's do mirror, and I'll try WF, so I still select, that's fine. So let's shift click pick this. Okay, almost there. 1, 2, 3. Maybe it's, I think it's easier just to copy, right? Because you can copy multiple times. And I'll just move this one to moved. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, 23. So from 1 to 23. Go to 3D view, select this divided surface, right? So it's a divided surface, and then we can just use intersect list, reference plane from 1, select this, shift, select the last one, and tick all of them, click OK, and then we have this. Okay, so with this one, and then we have options again. So one option says you can also use this type of, you know, this adaptive family, because I'm pretty sure this will work. Hang on, sorry, we still need to turn on the nodes, right? So, and then we can place this adaptive family. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it will say this time it will be perfect, aligned with all the height. This one's not working, probably because there are no nodes here. Maybe we need another reference plane here, so maybe just very close to here, so something like, you know, do this one, maybe move here. So let's go to 3D view and select that divided surface, go here, list, and also check the last one, right? Yeah, See, it'll automatically add another one here. So it will be the same. So we just need to create another one. So very close to that end, the end point of that reference line. Yeah, so adaptive family. Okay, so this is one option. So I'll delete this. The other option is we can also use a pattern-based family for this one. Okay, so I'll just quickly create one. So family, go to generic model pattern based, and then this is already there. So we just need to place a point to draw on face, and then just place a profile. So it will be something like this, right? Maybe I'll just make it 100 by 200. Yeah, and move it down to here. Select them, create a form, and we can do the same thing here, right? So I'm not going to do it. And also, I'm not worried about like overlapping or having double, but because this exercise is more to achieve the vertical, right? It don't really matter. So to have, you know, overlapped or doubled. So now we just go select this with just the one we just did, right? So this is it. And it, yeah, let me think. Yeah, we probably yeah, I'll just quickly show you if you don't want to have doubled. So you can just go let me tab select one of them and edit family. Not really sure which one. So that's top. Okay. What if hang on, let me just delete this one. 1, 2, 3, and select this, create a form. Oh, maybe these 3. Let's try. Overwrite. Oh, that's the right one. Cool. And that's it. Okay, so now no overlapping, just one. What else? What do we do to this? Maybe just, yeah, maybe you can just create an adaptive family with 2 points, just, you know, just to feel that. So I think this is it. Let's get some glazing maybe. Glazing this time. Let's try something different. Maybe let's just create a form with this one, and it will be let's try, yeah, keyboard up, thickness, right? So we need thickness, so 12 on each side give us 24. Glass HR, it's a little bit overlapping, but yeah, should be fine. Let's load this one. Overwrite. And this is it. Okay, so and for maybe let's also 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can also go into this one. So with 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we just delete this one and then select this profile and tab select this, control select, so we can create this one instead of, you know, 4. So we can, I think we can avoid overlap, avoid having, you know, overlap doubled. So let's try again. I think the issue we will have, okay, it looks like we have some issue because when we create this glazing, we just use, yeah, we might need to. So maybe it's easier. So maybe not, it's easier to, oh, where is it? Yeah, here. So not using this method, this one. So maybe it's easier just to, you know, create a solid 12 glass load overwrite. So yeah, I think that this is it. So we know that the glass is overlapped with the mullion, but you won't see them, right? Okay, so this is it. I think maybe I'll just upload this family so we can have a play as well. Yep. Let me just load this one into a project. Project, which one? This one. And overwrite. Overwrite. Okay, so this is it, and also yeah, that's this is curtain system. Yeah, don't worry too much about that. So yeah, because I couldn't find why to, you know, make them perfect vertical. Nope. So okay, so this is it. I will upload this family so you can have a play. If you have any questions, please let me know. Maybe I should delete the curtain system because it's a little bit messy here. Let me try to select curtain system DA, and also this one as well. Where is it? Yeah, DA. And okay, so you can see the these grid lines and also the nodes are visible, so we can quite easily just go VV and turn off the mask, so they're all gone, right? So okay, so this is it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.